This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying what you have now. Run Go version so you know the baseline. Next, make sure you have sudo rights and a downloader like curl or wget. These let you fetch the official binary. Once done, pick the exact Go release you want, for example Go 1, 21, 5, because updating to a specific version avoids surprises. Now download the tarball from the official release channel to your machine using curl fsl or wget, and get ready to replace the old installation. You must remove the previous Go installation directory to avoid mixed files. Sudo rm rf/usr/local/go is standard, but double-check your GoRoot if customized. Then extract the downloaded tarball directly into /usr/local with sudo tar c/usr/local xcf go 1, Roman 20, x, Linux AMD 64, tar, gz so that /usr/local/go becomes the new runtime. After extraction, update your path to include. You finish by confirming success. Run Go version and Go env to ensure binaries and environment variables reflect the new install. Once verified, rebuild or test your projects. Run Go clean mod cache and Go test. / to catch any module or build issues early. If the wrong version still appears, make sure /usr/local/go/bin is earlier in path than other Go installs. Search for stray Go binaries with which or where, and remove or reorder them. That single path fix resolves most update failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.